Hey, Leo! Let's do this! You're going down! Is that the best you've got? Ah! No! Stop it! Uh-oh. Hey, I just cleaned this top! My hair! Here it comes! Ugh!
What a lovely day. Hey! What's the big idea?
Uh-oh, this isn't good.
That's it. It's time for an art challenge. You're coming with me. Quit moving. Seriously, that's annoying.
Look out! Ha! Nice!
Now I'm mad.
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
Oh, you'll see.
Whoa! That was so cool! Wow, we look great!
Wanna see some magic?
Ooh, yes.
I like to put on a show. Prepare to be amazed. Keep a close eye on the bird.
It's going to disappear! It's still there.
Wait for it.
We're still waiting.
Ta-da! Uh-oh. Pretend you didn't see that.
That is the worst magic trick I've seen!
Let me try this again. I'm still learning. And I'm not great under pressure.
Please stop.
No, I can do it. Just, give me a minute. I know. How about some juggling? Hey, that's good, huh?
This is so tragic.
It, slipped. Ugh, this is so frustrating. Just forget it. Draw the bird. Got it?
Oh, the art challenge. Right.
I can do that.
This'll be fun.
Let's get started.
Maybe if I… Hey!
Sorry, but I need your hand. Just hold still. This won't take long.
What's the big idea?
Sorry, I just needed a helping hand. Ha! Okay, that's a good start. Now I can add some details, like an eye and a beak. Now it's time for some color. This yellow is perfect for the beak. I'm almost done.
I'm not even started. Oh, I know. I'll start by drawing a love heart. Then a smaller one inside. Next, I'll draw a few lines. These two circles will be the eyes. This is gonna look great! And it's so simple to do. Okay, time to color it in. I don't want to make any mistakes now. I just need to stay in the lines. And take my time. I'll use blue for the tail. It'll add a nice contrast. What's next? I'll color in the feathers. I'm almost finished. I'll add a little yellow on the beaks.
That is one good-looking bird. Wait. Huh?
I'll add blue to the eyes.
My bird is a little… basic. I know what to do. I'll be right back.
Leo! Stop it! What have you done?
Desperate times, Mia. Desperate times. I'll stick the feathers onto my drawing. I'm pretty happy with that. Check it out.
I'm finished too.
It's pretty colorful, huh?
It's two lovebirds.
Wow, I love them! Wait a minute. Hide your shame! I'm disappointed, Leo. That means Mia wins!
Nah.
I tried my best.
But it wasn't good enough.
Let's go faster! I don't feel so good. I shouldn't have had that dumpster chicken. Something's happening. Oh yeah, that's it.
Leo! Look!
I feel much better. And now I wait.
Leo?
No! Get back! Uh-oh. This might be bad. I need to get out of here. Can you watch my flamingo? He won't be any trouble. See you later!
Cool! Look, a flamingo!
Wait, is it pooping? I'd avoid visiting the toilet anytime soon. Phew, it stinks in there.
He's got toilet paper stuck to him!
At least we know he wipes. Ugh! Stop laughing! Wait, I have something for you. Look familiar? Come on, man, let it go. Draw my flamingo buddy.
Ooh!
Really? Wow.
You'll need this.
Thanks, Mia. Let's do this. I'll trace around my hand. I can't use Nia's again. Now I'll draw a line along the bottom. Next I'll draw the head. And add an eye. I'll slightly color the beak with black. Time for the wings. And now for the legs. I'll fill these in with black ink. Now I can color it in. This pink is the perfect color. This is such an easy animal to draw. I'm definitely gonna win this time. Can't forget about the beak. There's my flamingo.
These nail scissors are just what I need. I'll hold them in place and then draw a cloud shape. That's the head. Now I can draw the body. I'll draw 2 circles in the handle of the scissors. Now I'll do the legs. I'll go around the outline with a black pen. I'm using a light pink to fill it in. I don't want to move the scissors. This is gonna be so cute. Next I'll draw a line on either side of the scissors. My flamingo is gonna be holding something. Let's make it a flower. Aw, it's so pretty. That should do it.
I think you're gonna be impressed. Oh, very creative, Mia. Here you go.
I hope you like it.
Wow, amazing! There's only one possible result.
I'm so confused.
You want us to poop? Oops. Wrong cards. That's more like it. It's a tie!
Oh, well done, Leo! Let go!
It's mine!
Stop it!
Hey, what's going on?
I mean it! Let go!
Hey, over here! Boo! I'll never let go!
Hey, quit it!
He's talking to you! That's better. It's time for the next challenge.
Where is it?
You're looking at it. It's the best model yet. Wow, so handsome. What's happening right now? Still no idea? I'll give you a clue.
Oh. Still nothing.
I want you to draw me. We should have got that.
I have a great idea. I'll tape these 3 pens together. Then I'll start to draw. I'll start with Huggy's outline. Using the 3 pens at once gives a great effect. It's almost like it's 3D. That's the outline finished. Now I'll draw his eyes. And his, beautiful smile. And now for his tie.
I'll start by sticking these pieces of card together. Then I'll bend this wire. I'll push the wire through the cardboard. That looks good. Now I need to draw Huggy Wuggy. I'll draw him in pencil first. Now I'll go over it with a black marker pen. That looks good. It's time to color him in. That's good. Then I'll do his eyes. And use red for his lips. Finally, I'll use yellow for his gloves. And his shoes. Now I need to cut him out. I'll stick him to the wire. When I turn the wire, it looks like he's running. Pretty neat, huh? It's so funny.
Here's my drawing. It's a little different, but I like it.
Whoa. It's me. It's like looking in a mirror. Look at me go! Okay, what about you, Mia? Whoa, that's freaky. I'm getting dizzy. Whoa. I need to sit down.
Are you okay?
Leo wins this one. Yes! I did it! I'm the greatest! Woohoo!
I thought he'd like mine. Congratulations.
I think I'm gonna throw up. Strawberry jam. My favorite. It's so yummy. I'm so happy right now. Does it get any better than this?
That's pretty gross.
Stop judging me. I'm getting a complex. Draw a delicious strawberry.
Ooh, cool!
Hey, look at that. They look good. I think I'll help myself.
Let's do this. I'll sketch the strawberry with a pencil. Then I'll color the stem with this green pencil. This will be the base color. I'll use different colors to create shading and texture. It also helps with shadowing. It'll make it more realistic. That's the stem finished. I'll use yellow for the pips.
I need to resist. I can't eat them all. Whoa!
I've added shadows to the pips, too.
Mia's too good. I'll never beat her. Ugh! Uh-oh. The strawberry. I guess I made jam. Look at Mia's drawing. It's amazing. I need to think of something and quick. Wait! I've got it! I'll take a strawberry, then I'll carefully mash the flesh. That should do it. Then I'll drizzle in honey. My mouth's watering. Next I need a splash of milk. Now I'll give it a squirt of cream. It's not finished. I'll top it with sprinkles. Wow! It's a work of art! I definitely drink that. Oh, I can't forget the straw. Now for the next part of my plan. Mia, this is for you.
Wow, Leo! That's so kind!
Now's my chance. Time for the whole switcheroo.
This is so good!
Time's up. Show me your drawing.
I know. It's incredible. What can I say? I'm just so talented.
It's a little rough, but I tried. Leo wins. No contest.
What? How? This isn't my drawing! Oh, you tricked me!
Yep, I did. And I'd do it again. Hey guys.
Hi, Huggy. Where's he going?
That was weird. Ha! Fooled you.
Yeah, sure.
What time is it? It's party time! Oh yeah! Shake it, Huggy!
Wow! Look at those moves!
It's so hypnotic!
Go, Huggy! Go, Huggy!
Ew, that was tiring. Wait. Nah, I need a rest. What is happening right now? All that dancing has made me thirsty. I need a drink. Luckily I have this water. Wait, you have it!
Whoa!
I need to prepare your next challenge. I'll just grab this water. I want you to make a real splash. Ah, I get it. Good one. I'll take this glass.
I have an idea. I'll use a marker pen to draw on a plate. I'll draw a flower. That looks good. Now for the fun part. I need my glass of water. I'll pour the water over the flower, just like this.
I'm going to try something different. I'll pour the water onto the plate. Then I'll place a pen in it. I'll add a few more pens and let the ink mix with the water. Whoa, look at that! Who's gonna win this round? It's gonna be a tough decision, but I've made my choice. It's Mia!
Yes! I knew it!
Yeah. That is pretty cool. My plate looks pretty, though.
We hope this inspired you to pick up your pens and pencils and create your own masterpieces. Who do you think produces the best art? Leo or Mia? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.